Watch how a regular video transforms into an incredible AI-generated cartoon. It's amazing how AI brings these videos to life in cartoon form.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Adult, your go-to place for incredible tech tips, mind-blowing tricks, and the latest in the world of technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
To get started, just head to Google and search for this fantastic website. Once you're there, sign up or log in using Google. Then simply go to the video section, upload your video and choose the style you want. In the text field, you can also add any direction or suggestion for your cartoon creation. After everything's set, hit the Generate button and let the magic happen. Once your cartoon video is ready, just download it straight to your device. Check out the stunning results of your newly created cartoon video.
Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodoll platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.